In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a light streaks effect in Premiere. To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline that I'd like to add my effect to. Let's begin by holding down the Alt key and dragging the video clip onto the track about to create a duplicate. In here, I have a custom min with 4 effects. You're going to need directional blur, luma lumetri, color, and tint. You can just use the search bar up here to find them. Then drag each one over to your top clip on the timeline. Once you added all the effects, make sure your top clip is selected and go over to Effect Controls. Under Opacity, change the blend mode to screen. Mentioned is a blurred length to around 100 to get some light streaks. I'm also going to change the direction to 45 so that my streaks go diagonally. Next, change the Luma key's threshold to around 40% so that your streaks are more pronounced. Then open up Basic Correction under Lumetri Color and increase the weights to 150 so the lights stand out more. Alright, this looks pretty good, but let's add a color to the tin to make it look a little trippy. Click the color picker box next to Map White to now select the color you'd like to change your light streaks to. This looks good, but if you want your streak to look even brighter, just hold down the Alt key while dragging your top clip up to create another duplicate. Alright, and that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.